When you travel with GLA, you get the chance to grow and develop in an area you're interested in. Every program is centered around a specific theme that connects the service projects, adventure activities, learning activities, and guest speakers together. On a GLA Sciences STEM program, gain hands-on experience in one or more of the STEM fields: science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. We aim for students to critically think about problems from the lenses of science and technology to help solve problems in their home-based communities. Get a glimpse into STEM careers to make informed decisions about your future education and career paths while fostering global awareness. If you're looking for an even deeper dive, GLA offers a limited selection of 21-day travel internships for students who want to take their learning experience to the next level. Our program themes are meant for self-discovery and the development of core learning objectives. Make an impact in a way that's important to you. Have questions? Visit us at experiencegla.com/themes.